Chef here with a few more tips. So this is the knife I was using in the last video. It's handmade in Japan. It's super sweet. It only gets sharpened a few specific ways. I'm going to show you that. The knife only touches butcher block. This is an end grain rock maple. Really nice. Love it. This knife only touches food and butcher block. Nothing else. No plastic, no glass, no ceramic, never in the sink, hand wash only. This one's about 20 years old. It's looking good. It's got the stampings. It's the real deal. I know the guy that made it. Yeah, really sweet. So I'm going to use the clip and the sharpening stone. This is about a 1500 grit. The clip goes on like that. Gives me the perfect angle. I'm just going to do a few strokes. Like that on both sides. Maybe just a couple more. Oh yeah, looking really good. Okay, perfect angle both sides of that edge. I'll be right back. I'm going to wipe it off, show you how sharp it is. Okay, the knife has been wiped off. It's clean, it's dry. The clip, wipe it off. Yep. And the sharpening stone, wipe it off. Okay, now I can get this sharper, but I'm going to save that for you for another day. I want to show you what I got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 layers of paper. Let's try this knife here. Oh yeah. First of all, cuts right through all 7 just like that. And then a sharpness test would be cutting an S like that. Okay, if you can cut an S with your knife, then it's almost as sharp as mine. Once again, yep, really sweet, really nice. I can get this knife sharper, but right now it's looking good. It's very sharp. So move all this stuff aside, score the good stuff at your sponsor, and that sponsor once again is right there. Yeah, get it all right there. Butcher block, Japanese knives, clips, whetstones from Japan, the real deal. Buy the best the first time, get cooking with the chefs. Yeah, you're going to improve and see just what we're talking about when you get the good stuff. Get cooking and have a great day. Some fresh basil. Slice up the steak here. Oh, look at that. The steak looks amazing. Okay, time to plate up this wonderful meal here. And we've got first the pasta with this amazing sauce. For a garnish, I've selected fresh basil. We're going to put some of this sliced steak around the plate. Just like this. and a little bit of fresh rosemary. The finished meal. Thank you for watching, and once again, the finished meal. Thank you for watching, and once again, you can learn more about this meal as well as marinated beef sirloin, thank you for watching the presentation. Wow, it smells so good. You get maximum protection and you still have a full range of movement with your hand and the fingers, so it's pretty cool. And this is made in the USA. I like that. Great quality. Extra thick maple edge grain. Maple end grain. Cherry end grain. Yeah, you gotta have that. For you, I'm making homemade vanilla extract. I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsor's label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe and wow! It's going to really kick. You're going to improve it greatly. In case you're wondering, I've been smoking this over hardwood coals and cherry for quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. Other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it and I eat a lot. You can see what I got going on here. Oh yeah, it's looking really cool. I like it. I'm gonna eat that. Don't forget, hit up your sponsor and get the good stuff. Yeah, get cooking and have a beautiful day. It's gonna be video and you wanna see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, got some fresh basil here. It's looking really, really nice. Look at that color. Oh, a side note. Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick, end grain rock maple. And get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in Butcher Block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really, really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.